The subject of today's video is keyword hacking for beginners. How to maximize your keywords for more conversions and make more money. And I will reveal the single most powerful keyword strategy toward the end of this video. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as high as 80%, of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate marketing programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, now let's do some keyword hacking. The following search engine optimization hacking tips that should not be ignored. It's all about the keyword. If you have the right keyword, then your customers will be able to find you. SEO is all about keywords, the bloodline of the system. Keywords are a set of words which are typed by customers into their browser and then goes into search engine platforms. If your website or content is well optimized, there is a big chance that your pages will turn up as the primary source of information in the customer search results. We are living in a digital world, drowning in a sea of information. In your quest to know the truth, how do you think you'll find what you are looking for? Understanding SEO is one vital part of this quest. Every day, people make search queries online for products and services that they want to buy or use. In fact, there are over 3.5 billion searches on Google per day. In the United States alone, 78% of the population use the web as part of their purchasing decision-making process. Therefore, learning what SEO can do for you will allow you to capture a big chunk of that market. Search engine optimization is the hottest trend when it comes to increasing quantity and quality of organic traffic to a website with the aid of search engine platforms. The magic that happens behind every search that you do on Google, Yahoo, or Bing basically captures the idea of how SEO works, although it is a bit more complicated than it seems. Let us learn how SEO actually works and the advantages it can bring to your company and its goals. The importance of keywords. Keywords are the essential component and foundation of any website. And I will reveal the single most powerful keyword strategy toward the end of this video. Now, keywords help your audience understand the contents of your page and allow users to maneuver it well. Keywords allow search engine platforms to have a better grasp of your website and what it contains. Among the types of keywords, there are broad keywords and long-tail keywords. In Google Ads, you have broad keywords, phrase keywords, and exact keywords. There are many keyword research tools that can help you identify which ones are appropriate for your use for your website or Google ad. These tools include Google Trends, SEMrush, SEMrush, Moz, M-O-Z, or AdWords. Here you can further look into other keyword research tools which can help you improve the visibility of your pages. 2. Hear out your customers. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. If you were your customer looking for your product or service, which keyword would you enter into your browser to find more about that product or service? When it comes to any business, the customer is key. Their voices count. May those voices be favorable or unfavorable ones. Without your customers, your business will not flourish. And it may not even exist in the first place, so it's a good idea to hear your customers out. Focused on what your target market wants. Understand their needs and develop content that will draw your customers to your website. Google, Yahoo, and Bing are search engines which provide endless data. Utilize this data to your advantage. This is the easiest and quickest way of coming up with popular keywords. Start typing your original keyword in Google and look at the keywords that Google auto-populates below the search bar. You can also search the term on Google and scroll down to the bottom of the page to see related searches. These are both great indicators of what people are searching for, and therefore some primary keywords you may want to consider as your primary keywords or other keywords to include in the key pieces of your content. Find the most searched keywords using Moz Keyword Explorer. Moz or Moz, M-O-Z, Keyword Explorer. Google autocomplete and related searches will only show a small number of keywords, and even though you know they are popular terms, Google does not tell you exactly how popular they are. However, there are many tools that can show you exactly how much a keyword is being searched and how it compares to similar keywords. Again, one great tool is the Moz Keyword Explorer, M-O-Z Keyword Explorer. Start by searching the keyword you have selected. Moz will then generate a list of keyword suggestions related to the original keyword. The Keyword Explorer has a column labeled Monthly Volume, which shows how often each keyword is being searched for on Google every month. While it is great to choose popular keywords that users are searching for often, some may be difficult to rank because of the high competition, high cost for that keyword. Try a Google search for the keyword you have in mind to see how much competition there is. If you want to compare the difficulty of each keyword, you can use Moz Keyword Difficulty. It allows you to type in several keywords at a time in order to compare the difficulty percentage of each one. Okay, now for the number one secret pro tip when it comes to keyword success. That secret is the long tail keyword. The long tail keyword. Smart search engine marketers know that long tail keywords, longer phrases that often have less searches, tend to lead to better prospects to websites as they are farther down the decision-making process. In other words, shorter one or two word keywords, you're going to get a lot of looky-loos. Longer, long-tail keywords, you're going to get more people that are further down, like I said, the decision-making process. For instance, when you think wardrobe, think capsule wardrobe, and then again think buy capsule wardrobes online. Buy capsule wardrobes online versus just wardrobe or capsule wardrobe. Change lose weight to diet for losing weight or food that helps you lose weight, and so forth. Now, besides Google AdWords Planner, I also use keyword.io. That's keywordtool.io, keywordtool.io, Keyword Sheeter, as in a sheet of paper, Neil Patel's new ubersuggest.com, that's ubersuggest.com, and of course moz.com, moz.com. Now, it's best to pick at least one of these keyword search platforms and pay for the upgraded version after your trial period ends or sooner. So you can do trial periods in all these guys and pick the one you're most comfortable one and go for the upgraded version. The free versions just will not take you to the professional level that you need to be on to be razor sharp competitive. Also, invest in Click Magic. Click, and then magic is spelled M-A-G-I-C-K. That's M-A-G-I-C-K. Click Magic. Click Magic keeps track of which keywords are working best for you and for your budget. ClickMagick, a really great tool. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system. You can find his link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is also a giant in the online marketing business. And Anthony has the dollar numbers in the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.